Welcome to the Banker Lamp. Please enjoy the video.
You begin by preparing the environment so commands will work reliably. First, make sure you have Powershell 7 or compatible Windows Powershell and set execution policy to remote signed for safety. Once done, install the Exchange Online Management module so you have the latest CMDlets. Make sure you have an admin account and know whether it uses multi-factor authentication. This affects connection method. Now open an elevated shell and run install module Exchange Online Management, and we'll move to authentication next. Now you authenticate and create the management session. If you use interactive MFA, run Connect Exchange Online user principal, name your admin at domain, and complete the prompt. This gives you a persistent EXO session. If you need automation, register an Azure AD app, assign Exchange roles, and connect using the app ID and certificate thumbprint. Once connected, validate the link by running getTXO mailbox or getTXO recipient. These quick queries confirm permissions and that CMDlets are responsive before you run changes in bulk. Finish by performing your management tasks, then always disconnect the session to avoid orphan tokens. Disconnect Exchange Online confirm, $false is quick and safe. Make long operations verbose or show progress and redirect output to a file for audit and rollback planning. If the connection fails, check common culprits, outdated module versions, tenant-level conditional access rules blocking legacy auth, incorrect MFA flow, or proxy/firewall issues. If needed, update the module and rerun Connect Exchange Online with diagnostic switches to capture an error for investigation.
Thanks for watching. If this was helpful, leave a like and consider subscribing. See you next time.